Surely you have seen these AI influencers who are earning thousands of dollars on Instagram. You can also make these images in high quality, absolutely free on your mobile or computer. Look at this AI influencer. She has estimated earning of more than $10,000. This one also earns more than 10 grand every month with almost no effort. Let's see how we can do it in our mobile or PC using free AI tool. This link is given in the description. Click on this link. This screen shows up. Click on this run button and run anyways. Then wait for a minute till the end of this process. Click on this running on public URL, which will take you to this screen. After that, you will need to ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the influencer image. You can have any description of the AI image however you like. For example, I asked ChatGPT to create a girl from Switzerland. I will paste this prompt in the focus screen. This will take some time to process. You need to be patient. After the image is processed, download the image into your phone. Then open a new tab and search Image Upscale, then open Pixel Cut. Upload your image to upscale it to 200%. The quality of the image is improved very much. Then download this image. Now you can use this image to generate more images with this character's face. Just go to the interface and click on Input Image and upload your image. Generate a new prompt from ChatGPT and click on Generate. And bravo, your new image is generated. Now you can upload these images on Instagram and earn thousands of dollars with minimum effort. If you want to earn income online using free AI tools, subscribe to our channel.